The fortress monastery of Khor Virap is one of the main attractions of Armenia. It was here that Gregory the Illuminator, the saint who baptized this country, was imprisoned for 13 years. It is located on the site of the ancient capital of Artashat, at the foot of the biblical Mount Ararat. Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how easy and inexpensive it is to visit Khor Virap on your own. Suburban buses in the direction of the monastery depart from the southern bus station, located behind the railway station. The nearest metro station is David Sosansky, whose monument is installed on the station square. You need to go through the underground passage under the railway station, and you will come out to the departure point of suburban buses. There are several bus routes in the direction we need. For example, number 454 will do. The ticket costs 500 drams. Unfortunately, the monastery is located 5 kilometers from the highway. You need to get off in the settlement of Pokr Vedi. Then we move to the place on foot or by taxi. I chose the latter, and we stopped on the way in the village of Lusarat, where I was amazed by the huge number of stork nests on the street. However, we have digressed from the topic. As expected, there is a variety of tourist infrastructure in front of the landmark. Here you can launch a dove for luck, have a snack in a local cafe, buy souvenirs or drink homemade wine. After filming, I sat for a long time on the top of the hill, drank wine and looked at Ararat. Let's continue about everything in order. The monastery is located right on the border with Turkey, on a high hill. In ancient times, the city of Artashat, the ancient capital of Armenia, was located on this territory. Today, it is an active monastery for men, where services are held regularly. At the same time, the doors of the monastery are always open to parishioners. The main church of the monastery, Surba Astvatsin, or the Church of the Holy Mother of God, was built from tuff in the middle of the 17th century. At the same time, the monks' cells and the monastery itself were built. However, the history of this place is much older. Khor Virap means deep pit in translation. Once upon a time, there was an underground stone dungeon here. The second church, Surba Grigor Lusavoric, or the Church of Gregory the Illuminator, was built above it. It was here in a dungeon at a depth of 6 meters that the baptizer of Armenia sat for 13 years for his faith, until King Redat III decided to accept this religion as the state religion. In 642, a chapel was first erected over the saint's prison. This is where my film comes to an end. If you liked my work, please support it. Like it, subscribe to the channel, write comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.